Hello, boys. I hope you had a nice weekend. So today we're going to go over your sight word assignment. Every week you're going to learn 3 new words, and they're going to be the same for the whole week, okay? And then when I see you during our Google Meet, I want you to read the words that we learned, okay? So today and for the rest of the week, you're going to be able to read A, I, and C. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to read the first word. When I go like this, I point to myself, I read it. When I point this way, you're going to read it out loud to your mom, dad, or your sister or brother, okay? So let's try it. A. Your turn. I. Your turn. Good. C. Your turn. Good job. Now, let's do it with just me pointing when I read, and then I'm going to point when you read. A. I. C. Good job. Now let's read our sight words in a sentence. Now remember what I taught you. You should always point to your words with your finger, and you could do it on the screen, and I'll do it with this little circle. And then we always read from left to right. Okay, so I'm going to read the sentence first, and you're going to listen. And then I'm going to give you guys a chance to read it. I see a cat. Now you're going to repeat. I see a cat. Good job. Now I want you to read it out loud without me, okay? And if you need help, your mom or dad will help you. So I'm going to point to the words. Ready, set, go. Great job, guys. Okay, you're going to do the next assignment, and I can't wait to check it, okay? Bye.